Hey, you guys, it's Mirsky back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, smack the bell so you can get notified when I do a video, and make sure that you comment down below something, I guess, and let's just get into this video. Okay, so you guys, y'all already know in my videos, I'll talk about the law of attraction, self-love Saturdays, things that are going to help you manifest your deepest desires, witchy things, such as Witchy Wednesday videos on magic, spells, and all of that. But before we get into anything in this video, I definitely want to tell you guys too, I have a Patreon below. If you would like to support monthly on my Patreon, you can check the description box below for donations. It's all in the description box. To purchase any crystal jewelry, check the description box. And to follow my Instagram, check that little thing right there, because my Instagram is definitely going to be like right somewhere on the screen. I don't fucking know. But okay, so you guys, in this video, I'm definitely wanting to talk about, it's another law of attraction topic, but I wanted to talk about knowing your worth and what you get out of it, basically. So when you know your worth, it's basically like what you're admitting to accept, or what you are allowing into your reality. Let's say you're trying to manifest a specific person, or manifest money, or manifest, because these are the most, prominent topics in the law of attraction. But the thing is, your ass over here manifesting without knowing your standards and your worth. So you're just accepting anything. So when it comes to love, you probably, I don't know if you ever feel not worthy of certain things within love, certain areas of it, so you won't manifest exactly what you want. So you can be seeing that what you're thinking that you want, you are actually not getting, because you are not putting enough emphasis on yourself in regards to it. See, the thing that comes with manifesting is really believing in yourself. Knowing your worth is what you are allowing to come to you. I know my worth, so I know I'm not going to accept anything below the means that I want in my standards, in regards to love, in regards to finances, in regards to anything. Once you know your worth, you are really setting that standard for what you are accepting in that area of your life. What I come to notice in, like, once you are manifesting certain things in your life and you don't really know your worth, is that you are living below what you are supposed to, basically. Once you feel good about knowing your worth and knowing your true essence and your true power, that is what you will attract. Like yesterday when I was talking about in my other video about everyone as you pushed out, you attract what you give out. It all starts from internally. So once you give out that I feel worthy of this, I am capable of this type of energy, that's what you'll get back. You feel me? Like, it's only, that's how the universe works. It works in reflection of you. Be aware of you knowing your worth, knowing your true potential and your true power, because that ultimately can change your whole perception on reality and your reality in general. You deserve it. You are knowing of what you deserve, and you feel good about getting what you deserve because you know that you deserve it. So yeah, you guys, basically that was it that I wanted to talk about in this little short video or whatever. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, smack the bell, because I love this light. It's everything. Make sure that you subscribe so you can get notified when I do it. No, you don't. You don't get notified when I subscribe, but you got to smack the bell when you subscribe. And leave a comment down below that I know my worth and I know my true essence. Leave that down below. Just affirm to yourself. I know my worth and I know what I'm capable of. Whatever affirmation that you need to say to reaffirm and reassure yourself of who you are, definitely say it down below, because I love when you guys comment down below and tell me, what you got going on or whatever. You feel me? But I will see you guys in the next video. I love y'all so much. Peace.